Okay, listen to these things pelting the window. I think it's hailing outside. I've lived in Florida 15 years and I've never seen hail, but I've heard about it. I mean, it sounded like little pebbles hitting the window violently a few minutes ago. Now it's more subtle. My wind chime was like horizontal. Water was coming in like 6 feet deep into the house. I had to close up some of the windows. Let me go check. Okay, things are looking good. Let's take a look outside. It's very cool and brisk out. It was 90 degrees just a few minutes earlier. Oh, I can see the little hail bouncing off the ground. I don't think it's really conveying in the video. Wow, this really cooled things down though. I come from the Midwest, and they will have hail the size of softballs. In fact, probably we're not going to be able to see it, but my truck here, old Whitey, has some dents on the hood from hail damage. My mom used to make jokes about cellulite and called it hail damage when she would see cellulite on people. Anyway, okay, here I am signing off from the Florida homestead in the subtropics of South Florida.